What's up, tribe? How you guys doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I hope you like this video. Well, it looks like Leah McSweeney has filed a bombshell lawsuit against Andy Cohen and Bravo. We know that Leah told her story in that Variety article that ran a few months ago, where she talked about how Bravo exploited her alcoholism to get the best performance out of her and so forth. So it looks like she's actually filed a lawsuit against Bravo, and she makes some very damning accusations. So let me read you guys this article that's coming from page 6. A bombshell new lawsuit paints a damning I used the exact same words. A damning picture of the behind the scenes culture at reality TV giant Bravo as a dysfunctional club that thrives off of hard drugs, encourages alcohol abuse, and turns a blind eye to predatory behavior. Court documents filed on Tuesday by one of its former stars, Leah McSweeney, even claims that it's an open secret that the network's figurehead, Andy Cohen, snorts the booger sugar with his favorite housewife stars. He doles out special professional favors to his employees and personal party pals. Meanwhile, the papers claim that the network is aware that a different senior producer routinely sends unsolicited pictures of their genitalia to lower-level production employees. But the papers claim that the higher-ups have done nothing to stop it. Child. Hold on, let me get to the rest of the article. Hold on. The shocking claims are part of a lawsuit in which McSweeney claims the network preyed on her alcohol problem either by intentionally exacerbating it or by preventing her from seeking help in a cynical attempt to turn her suffering into ratings. The fashion designer, who appeared on 2 seasons of the flagship show, The Real Housewives of New York City, and 1 season on the spinoff Real Housewives Ultimate Girls Trip, claims that the network breached her rights under employment law by failing to allow her to get proper care for her alcohol addiction, even though executors were aware of the problem. Indeed, she claims producers pressured her to drink even though they knew she was trying to stop. She's seeking unspecified damages. The news comes days after fellow Real Housewives star Brandi Glanville claimed in a legal letter that an obviously inebriated Cohen sexually harassed her by telling her he wanted to sleep with another Bravo star while thinking of Glanville and invited her to watch over FaceTime. While making a case that the network thrives on a culture that thrives off of drug and alcohol use, McSweeney's lawsuit claims that Cohen, who is an executive producer for the Real Housewives of New York and Ultimate Girls Trip, and hosts Bravo's late night show Watch What Happens Live, engages in drug use with housewives that he employs, and that Cohen's proclivity for the booger sugar with his employees is well known throughout the Real Housewives franchise. Well, Nene did say it too. In fact, Cohen tends to provide the housewives with whom he uses drugs with more favorable treatment and makes them appear more agreeable in edits. It does name Housewives cast members in question. Oh, it doesn't, excuse me. It doesn't. McSweeney's powerhouse lawyers allege in the documents that Cohen intentionally uses drugs with his employees to further promote a workplace culture that thrives off of drug and alcohol use, which leads to a failure to accommodate employees who are disabled or trying to be substance free. Meanwhile, the papers claim that a producer employed by Shed Media, which makes Real Housewives of New York and Ultimate Girls Trip, as well as a number of other Real Housewives shows, routinely sends unsolicited pictures of their genitalia to lower employees. It also alleges that even though Bravo and Shed know or should know about the producer's sexual harassment, they continue to elevate the producer to positions of increased power. Those claims are part of McSweeney's suit because her lawyers claim in court documents that by failing to take appropriate remedial action, Bravo and Shed tactically send the messages to the producer and all other employees that they engage in unlawful employment practices with impunity. Girl. McSweeney, who appeared on The Real Housewives of New York and The Real Housewives Ultimate Girls Trip, is suing Cohen, Bravo, and Shed Media, a production company that makes both shows, and Warner Media, which owns Shed. In 2017, Cohen's former pal and CNN New Year's Eve co-host Kathy Griffin claimed that Cohen offered her drugs before she appeared on Watch What Happens Live on 2 separate occasions. Cohen said at the time, "I am completely stunned by the story and it is 100% false and totally made up." Reps did not immediately respond to our request for comment. Y'all, baby, it is raining over there at Bravo. Listen, y'all know what I say, where there's smoke, honey, where there's smoke. Anyway, I will keep y'all posted, and y'all know we will talk about this at the next tribe meeting. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.